In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A05s, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard theme. Begin by launching your Samsung keyboard and clicking on gear icon at the top of it. Then scroll down, select theme, and click on one of the available ones to apply it. So when I do that and go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. If you wish to try something more interesting, go into Play Store and download Gboard. When it's ready, open it. Then choose Enable in Settings. Click on Gray Sweater next to Gboard and choose OK in Attention pop-up. Following that, go back to your Gboard app and click on Select Input Method. Then click on Gboard on the list and hit Done. Now you can select theme and tap on those icons at the top right corners to see all available ones. After locating the best one for you, click on it. Manage key borders thanks to this sweater and save your new colorful theme by hitting Apply. If you wish to customize it, go back to the same Gboard app, but this time click on this plus icon under My Themes. Now click on the photo that you wish to apply as your keyboard's background, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then select Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Hit Done. Manage key borders and select Apply. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!